Ma'am, your martini.
Oh, thank you.
Shaken, not stirred.
Thank you.
By the way, what is your name?
Dearie. Danny, dearie.
Hello, Danny dearie.
You don't have to keep going, just keep going and I'll... I'm sorry. Alright.
Okay, hang on. Ma'am, your martini. Shaken, not stirred.
Perfection.
What is your name? Oh, that's what your name is.
God damn it.
I'm gonna fucking...
What's in the box? Sorry. Sorry.
Ma'am, your martini. Shaken, not stirred.
Perfection.
So what's your name?
Dearie. Danny, dearie.
Hello, Danny dear. And sing it. Funny, so very funny.
It's too... Yum, yum. That's disgusting. That's so bad.
Did you drink out of it?
Oh, that's so bad.
Why did you do
It
that?
tastes like watery...
Watery
olives.
olive juice, nasty. Dude. By the way, this is water with an olive in it.
Yeah, it is. Because we didn't buy any gin or vodka.
No.
Because I don't think that would be very good. I don't think that'd be a great idea for us to...
You know. Anyways.
Alright.
Ma'am, your martini. Shaken, not stirred.
Perfection.
So what's your name?
Dearie. Danny, dearie.
Hello, Danny dearie.
Ooh!
Not stirred.
Perfection.
So what's your name?
Dearie. Danny, dearie.
Why, hello, Danny dearie.
I'm not a British spy agent or anything.
Oh.
The flowers. The flowers.
Very George O'Keeffe. Anyways,
Okay.
final set. Why, hello, Danny dearie.
Thank you for the martini.
Don't drink that.
At my sides, kind of. Okay, one more.
Smile line?
You have like 2 lines.
I know. Sesame.
Dearie. Danny, dearie.
Why, hello, Danny dearie. Don't do that. Oh my god. That's so gross. Don't spit that back. Oh.
Ah!
I guess that's a wrap for today. That's so nasty.
I don't even like olive.